Here we have a magnetic bookmark. It is mentioned here that it's a magnetic bookmark. Okay, how to use it. The package looks like this, and inside we have this little thing. Now, how to use that thin object? Well, you have to separate those two parts. There are two parts there, like so, with your finger. And after it's separated, it's a thin magnet. You can even bend it if you want a little bit. If I bend it a little bit, notice it's closing. Okay, now get a book, open it somewhere. Let's say one single sheet of paper. Position it there onto the top and close it. And when it's closed, it's not moving easily. It's holding it quite well. It's pretty thin and you can close it. And there is your bookmark. You can push it all the way in and you can still find it. To remove it, bend the paper a little bit and lift it up. Read some more and position it once again. There. And since it's a magnet, it's not falling off easily. It's holding there quite well. It's not falling off. And that's it. It's a magnetic bookmark. You can even pull it out and store it elsewhere. So that's a magnetic bookmark. It's similar to a fridge magnet, but this one has two sides. Don't open it a million times because there it might fail. There it's paper. So two magnets joined together by a paper. Magnetic bookmark.